Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Shift to Park message on your GMC Acadia. This frustrating issue can prevent you from turning off your vehicle, but don't worry, it's a common problem with well-known solutions. We'll walk through the typical causes and provide clear steps to help you diagnose and repair it yourself, saving you time and money. Let's get started on getting your Acadia working correctly again. The Shift to Park message usually points to an issue within your vehicle's shifter assembly. Specifically, the park position switch, which tells the car it's in park, can become faulty. Sometimes, the problem is simpler, like a loose or corroded electrical connector leading to the shifter. Before diving into complex repairs, always check these basic connections first. A quick inspection can often save you a lot of effort. If initial checks don't resolve the issue, you might need to replace components. Often, replacing the entire shifter assembly is the most reliable fix, as it includes all internal switches. Alternatively, if you're comfortable, you can try replacing just the park position switch itself. Always ensure all electrical connectors are firmly seated and free of corrosion after any component replacement to prevent recurrence. Once you've completed your repair, it's crucial to thoroughly test the shifter. Start the vehicle and cycle through all gears several times, ensuring the Shift to Park message does not reappear. If the problem persists, consider consulting a professional mechanic. To help prevent future issues, keep your vehicle's interior clean and address any electrical anomalies promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.